Hello YouTube, DLCTSD here, and it's time for an EDC update. It is January 14, 2011, and so let's get started. Got my OU hat here. I've had this for a long time. Yeah. So here's my khaki paracord bracelet. And this goes on my right wrist. And I got my Zippo lighter here. It's the Black Crackle Zippo. And my watch. It's a cheap Armatron watch. I got it from Target, I think, or Walmart. I'm not sure. Yep, I've had this for about 1 year. Yeah, goes on my right wrist. Since I'm left-handed, I put it on my right hand or right wrist. Start with the keys. So on my keys, I got a Kershaw chive. Took off the pocket clip. And I got my Gerber artifact and my keys and a lanyard with khaki brown, just like the paracord bracelet. And let's see here. My wallet. I got this from County Com. Yeah. Has two outside pockets. One right here, one right here, and two see-through slots, I guess. Got my survival card here, and my school ID. Yeah. All right. And my primary knife is the Paramilitary 2, Spartico Paramilitary 2, and it is a great knife. It is one of the best. Yeah, so yeah, that's my primary, and I have it on left hand position, tip up. Alright, so that's my primary. Secondary knife is a Victorinox Cadet. Let me open it up here. Hold on. So here's my Victorinox Cadet. My secondary knife. And I got a green snot cloth or handkerchief. Alright. And my belt is a Levi Strauss and Company brand belt. Alright. Put my first name right here, first initial. I don't know what this is. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much my EDC update. So thanks for watching. Please comment and thumbs up, and watch my other videos, please. Thank you.